Todd Solar from Lucy Solar Healthcare Marketing, and I'm here to introduce a brand new course. This course is for everyone around the world. Who are we trying to help? Well, look, if you're either somebody who answers the phone or deals with people at online appointments and want to get a leg up on how to handle those to increase the conversions to a maximal level, well, this course is ideal for you. If you're somebody who is perhaps trying to understand how to do the phone call and also the online and what to do in which scenario, then this course was definitely for you. If you're one of those folks who, as a result of social distancing, is looking ahead and thinking, wow, where am I going to get all my volume? And I better convert as many people that I first talked to as possible in order to have those folks coming in having already paid something, then this course is also for you. So look, I've been doing this now for over 20 years, teaching people on the phone and at appointments to convert more patients to the next stage of their journey. And I've got all of the techniques and all of the skills and all of the knowledge that I've imparted to now over 1,000 people to learn how to do these specific things. And what are their results? Well, they're increasing their conversion rates, typically by double-digit numbers, and in some cases, doubling their conversion rates from conversion rates starting at 25% to 50%. Did that with a big, large chain here and created millions of pounds of incremental revenue. Been doing it for people who started at 30, for people who started at 40, and even for people who are kind of ranging around 60%. We can even squeeze that lemon and really push out even more conversions out of that. So look, if you're interested in making more from what you already have, because what you're going to get is probably less than what you're used to, then this is ideal for you. And then what happens? Well, participants are going to start getting 20-minute videos every single day from us, telling you how to do these skills, sharing with you the very specific things that we teach and that have shown to create tremendous value among people who utilize these skills and implement them on a regular basis, and to increase those conversion rates. So 20 minutes a day, and then you're also going to get an exercise. Sometimes it'll be a quiz, sometimes it'll be a long answer, sometimes it'll be a video that you have to do in order to demonstrate, and maybe a role play. So look, there's going to be a lot of instruction on a regular basis and also an opportunity for you to do something. But we've compressed it in such a way and spread it in such a way where you could probably achieve much of what you need to do on a daily basis in about half an hour. So whether that's before work begins, at lunchtime, or after work ends, you can do this course. And the idea is to do this over a minimum 21 days, but potentially 4 weeks, so that you really start to practice these things and learn habits and implement them. So for you guys who need to really squeeze as many paid patients out of the leads that you have, then without necessarily spending much more money on marketing, because where's that money going to come from? Then we really want to help you increase the conversions that you get from all of those folks who are going to come to you likely anyway, okay? Obviously, there's a big thrust of customer service in this course, and whenever we're speaking to patients directly, especially at the first conversation, we really got to make a tremendously good impression, and so that customer service element will be embedded into the course, and you will understand all the pearls of wisdom that I've been able to accrue over the last 20 years of dealing with thousands and thousands and thousands of patients, so that you can actually employ the very best practices that I've learned and have learned from all the folks that I've been working with. And I've seen some superstars out there, and I'll be able to pass on that information to you. It's a foolproof process. This isn't a bag of tips and tricks that, we pull out, hey, stand up, hey, smile, look at the mirror, that type of stuff. I mean, that stuff might be in there, but really what we offer is a very step-by-step, logically oriented process that can fit into pretty much any CRM or paper and pencil if you wish. We provide you with the tools online, spreadsheets, PDFs, handouts, full-on demos in terms of how to use these tools. So look, you're going to have everything given to you on a silver platter. And we have spent a whole week in preparation. So you'll be able to manage this fairly well when it comes to technology questions and understanding what kind of kit you need and how to set up your environment for online consults. Look, at the end of the day, this is all about increasing your sales, increase conversion rates, even by from like, say, a typical conversion rate that I've seen increase between like 20% up to 40% or 25% to 50%, or even higher, will effectively double your business. So that's what this is all about. So we're sure that this is going to provide tremendous value in exchange for the price that we're charging. In terms of content, we're going to obviously begin with understanding the value of the telephone conversion rates and online conversion rates and how that all fits into this new funnel. And really to impart to you how valuable it is to have somebody who's really strong on the phone or online with first conversations, because that's, without that, nothing really happens afterwards. You can have the best clinicians, you can have the best kit, you can have a beautiful space, you can have the best outcomes and results from your vision correction surgery. However, without those first conversations, I'm sorry, but nothing of that will happen. So we want to make sure that you enable those first conversations to be the absolute best foot forward that you can put towards a patient, and ensure that they feel comfortable and relaxed enough to come in and give you the opportunity to guide them through this process. We're going to talk specifically about greeting and starting the calls, how to establish rapport, how to open people up so that you can earn the right to solve their problems, how to close them so that you can monetize and capitalize on this time that you spend with patients, and really in an effort to generate as much paid appointments from that point forward, so that you can really call to action and close those appointments, so that the people that you're inviting into your clinics forthwith are those who've already paid something and have put some skin in the game. Because look, clinical space is extremely expensive now, considering the fact that you can only have so many people in that space at any one time with social distancing. You really need to ensure that the patients who come and see you have put some money into the system and are showing that they're serious, and they're not just coming to see you to kick some tires to see whether this is right for them. You can put that and ensure that much of that work is done front loaded. And that's what we're going to teach you how to do. We're also going to teach you how to overcome objections, handling questions and cancellations, and what to do with that. How to follow up is also important. So there'll be all of that involved. The structure, again, is we do it over 4 weeks. You'll be receiving videos on a regular basis. They're going to be 20 minutes, 10-minute exercise. So you'll be able to fit that into your busy schedule, assuming you are busy. I hope you are busy. If you're not, well, you've got lots of time to practice. There's going to be something like around 22, 24 unique lessons and quizzes and things like that to educate yourself upon. And like I said, we have a completion target of about 4 weeks, because we really want you to implement this stuff and actually learn by doing. All the videos and all the coursework is 24/7 access, no matter where you are. It works on a desktop, it works on a mobile, works on a tablet, doesn't matter. It's completely omnipresent. And we're also going to have a Facebook group where you're going to have the opportunity to engage with some of your peers and also ask questions in that moment, in that platform, so that we can help you even further in between the calls. So yeah, so it's all there for you. And look, you're going to get downloads, you're going to get a workbook, the peer forums available to you during the course and after as well. There's going to be an achievement system where you're going to get awards for doing certain things that we're looking for you to do, so that you can really practice this stuff and make it happen. We're going to send you email notifications to keep you on track. And finally, when you're all finished, we're going to give you an online certification. It's an official certification showing that you have passed the final exam on the course. Yes, there is a final exam. We do take these things seriously. We really want to ensure that people with that Livesay Solar certification have demonstrated that they know how to do this and can put it into action. So yeah, you'll really enjoy that. Don't worry, don't sweat it. This is something that you can not only use, in your clinic that you're working in right now, but potentially as an accreditation that you can show that you have this knowledge and that you can take it into other realms. The license is for one clinic, one person, but there'll be more information about all of that. We do offer some group options for those people who have a larger set of people that want to attend the course. Look, we want as many people to attend the course as possible, so we're not going to be stingy. These are troubling times for many, and we want to be as generous as possible. But at the same time, we want to make sure that we can put in as much value into the course, and for that, we need some resources. So look, we're going to be providing you with a link right around this video. Just click the button. that where you can learn more information. Get on it now, though. So look, make sure that you get on this. Make sure that you take care of the paperwork real quick, and just get on the course. And we'll see you there. We're gonna have a great time. I'm gonna try to invite some guests to do some role plays with me and to see if we can get some learnings from there as well. And yeah, we'll see you on the course. Can't wait to work with you, and so we can increase those conversion rates and maintain the businesses that you have. Fantastic.